How to select your grade level in Khan Academy. Not sure how to pick your grade level in this application? In this quick video, I will show you exactly where to set it and why it matters, so let's get started. First of all, open the Khan Academy application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to select your grade, simply scroll down on your home screen, just like this. Now here you can find my courses right here. Now tap on to get started, tap on it. Now from here you can simply choose your grade. So here you can see the question, what grade are you in? Now simply choose one. If you are in this kindergarten, simply choose from this section. If you are from high school, choose from it. Or if you are college or adult learner, choose from this. Now tap onto one, just like this, and simply choose one of the courses. Now scroll down and find one, just like this, and tap on to done. You can simply choose as much as subject you would like, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can select your grade level in the Khan Academy app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.